Reliable Wi-Fi is at the heart of every modern campus, powering everything from student collaboration and online classes to research labs and smart building systems. But delivering seamless wireless connectivity across a university is no easy task. Campuses are filled with diverse environments. Historic lecture halls with thick stone walls, high-density dorms packed with devices, and sprawling outdoor spaces where students expect to stay connected. Each area brings its own set of challenges, from signal-blocking materials to fluctuating user demands and interference from unauthorized devices. To tackle these hurdles, campus IT teams need more than just extra access points. They need a strategic approach that starts with understanding the unique needs of each space. That's where Provision Networks comes in. We can import your campus floor plans, automatically map out walls and materials, and define specific connectivity requirements for classrooms, libraries, or outdoor quads. We can identify the right access points and find their ideal locations, using AI-powered planning to maximize coverage and performance. Once your network is designed, we come in and validate real-world performance, quickly spot coverage gaps, and identify sources of interference. You can also access our wireless assurance platform, Healthy RF, utilizing AI-powered sensors and agents to monitor and optimize your networks, providing IT teams with 24/7 vendor-agnostic insights and proactive resolution for network issues, leading to faster problem-solving, fewer help desk tickets, and improved operational efficiency. Ongoing optimization and troubleshooting become simple, ensuring your campus Wi-Fi keeps pace with growing demands and delivers the reliable connectivity your academic community depends on.